So they both ended up firing up on me. I don't know if you can see the back sight glass now. You can see that the condenser motor's fired up. So they're going to cycle on pressure, on these pressure switches. If either one of these compressors needs it, it's going to cycle. So when they do fire, you'll watch for that contactor cord thing. So when the compressors or the condenser motors fire on, we'll watch it run, and I'll show you that sight glass is going to bounce up and clear, and that's where I don't want. I always tell people you can't automatically go, oh man, it's low on charge because I see some flashing in that sight glass. Sometimes that's the way it is on some of these units. So the only way you'd really know if you were low on charge would basically be to pull the charge out and then reweigh it in. So or if we were, say, 90 some degrees, 80, 90 degrees outside, and it was full cooling and not maintaining set point, and then you had that flashing in there, then you'd probably go, okay, hang on, I've got an issue with a low refrigerant charge. The other way would be high superheat. You know, if we went in by the evaporator coil, that our superheat is super high and coil's not even trying to sweat. So we'll wait for this to cycle one more little time and see if we can feel some heat. It might be doing a, well, it could be doing a, here they just came out. We'll watch our sight glasses. See, so they flash for a little bit, but then they clear back up. And that's why I'm not concerned about my refrigerant charge. Plus we did a visual inspection on the coil, condenser coil and that. Didn't see any oil. You know from the labs that whenever we have a leak, we have some oil usually. So we've cleaned these coils already. You would kind of notice oil and then filtering down throughout the coil. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. All right, I'll get set up for the bigger one now.